everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to play and download Call of Duty Mobile on your PC. So to start, we'll have to go first on my Google browser and type on the search bar BlueStacks. And then here, let's just tap on this download BlueStacks. So here on the website, you'll see an option that says download BlueStacks 10. Just tap on that, and on the left bottom corner of the screen, here you'll see the downloaded app. So as you can see, I already downloaded the app on my PC. So let's just tap on that to open the app. And as you can see, this app shows all the games that you have in Google Play Store. So now let's go to the search bar and type Call of Duty Mobile Season 1. And now as you can see, there are a lot of Call of Duty games. So let's just tap on this one. And as you can see, you can now easily download this app. Just tap on this Install App Player, and then you'll be asked to install again Google Play Store in your PC, and then you can now download the app. So as you can see, this game is basically the same on what you have on your Google Play Store mobile. So that's how easy you can download Call of Duty on your PC. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.